We're waiting for the details also from Apple, which will be reporting earnings in the coming days and weeks. There are reports that Apple cut orders for parts used in the iPhone 5 because of lackluster demand, or at least demand that wasn't as strong as anticipated. If you look at shares of Apple, they traded briefly below $500 in the pre-market. They're back above that right now, but certainly this is bad news for its suppliers as well, like LG Display and Japan Display.
And
all part of the Apple ecosystem.
Yeah, and the New York Times with a great article here on Google Apps with an iPhone. I do that. You can Googleize your iPhone by just bringing in the apps.
Use the Gmail app instead of the regular mail app that comes prepackaged with the phone. Yeah, that's certainly one part of it as Google tries to fend off the iPhone.
Well, another story
dominance.
that's